Hi friends, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make sweet chili wings and also honey barbecue wing. Absolutely delicious, perfect for any special occasion. To achieve this delicious recipe, these are the ingredients that you're going to need. Do keep in mind I will go right ahead and leave a full list of the ingredients and measurement below in the description box so you can always check it out. First thing first, you want to go ahead and apply your favorite dry seasoning. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add some fresh grind curb and blend green seasoning, basically a mixture of thyme, pepper, garlic. Anything that you enjoy using, you certainly can blend it up and you get that lovely seasoning. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add a pinch of oil. Just give it a good mix. So friends, as mentioned, we're doing two wings today, sweet chili wings and also honey barbecue wing. So our first recipe is going to be sweet chili wings. Once you apply your favorite marinade seasoning, you can also go ahead and set it aside for 20 minutes, overnight preferable. When it comes to taste and flavor, makes a big difference. As always friends, if you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing. On this platform, we do weekly videos. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add some fresh grated ginger and just give it a good mix. So friends, after fully marinating, next step you want to go ahead and place them in the oven at 275, 30 minutes. For easy cooking, I'm going to go right ahead and place them on a rack. So friends, for our latest content, be sure to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and also Facebook. As always, don't forget to like. So here we are friends, our sweet chili wings looks amazing. I'm going to place them in the oven now and move on to the next recipe. So friends, next we are going to move on to our next recipe, which is honey barbecue wings. To achieve this delicious recipe, these are the ingredients that you're going to need. 2 pounds of wings, dry seasoning, which can be of choice, grated ginger, green seasoning, and also yellow mustard. 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to go right ahead and add my oil. Next, I'm going to add my dry seasoning. Grated ginger. Curb and blend green seasoning. And also yellow mustard, and just give it a good mix. So friends, as mentioned, for better taste and result, you can also prep your ingredients overnight. Of course, when it comes to taste and flavor, makes a big difference. At this moment, I'd like to take time out to shout out my current subscribers who always watches my video each time I upload. As always, thank you. So friends, after fully marinate, next step I'm going to go right ahead and add my honey wing to my Ninja air fryer and cook them for 15 or 20 minutes. Next friend, you do have the option as far as adding a bit of oil spray, or you can also omit it. Totally optional before you add your wings. So friends, here we are, absolutely delicious. My sweet chili wings is done. Next, after 20 minutes, my sweet honey barbecue wing has done as well. So friends, next we are going to create two simple base sauce. First, sweet chili sauce. These are the ingredients that you're going to need: honey, brown sugar, and also sweet chili sauce. So friends, once fully combine all of your ingredients, you want to go ahead and preheat your sauce for 1 minute or less and just baste your chicken. So friends, after preheating my sauce, next I'm going to go right ahead and baste my sweet chili wings and just give it a good mix. Friends, as always, I hope you guys give this delicious recipe a try, and also feel free to leave me any question or comment you may have below. A perfect combination for any special occasion. Next, we are going to move on to our next sauce. These are the ingredients that you're going to need: barbecue sauce, brown sugar, honey, and also a pinch of hot pepper, which can be of choice, and just give it a good mix. As always, you can go right ahead and preheat your sauce before adding it to your wings. As mentioned, after preheat, I'm going to go right ahead and baste my honey wings and just give it a good mix. So here we are, friends. Take a look at my finished dish: sweet chili wings and also honey barbecue wing. As always, please consider subscribing, and also thanks for watching. Delicious chicken wing recipe.